Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Limcart. Today let's learn about the basic unit of life, the cell. The cell, derived from Latin cellula, which meant small room, is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Every cell consists of a cytoplasm enclosed with a membrane which consists many biomolecules such as proteins, nucleic acid, nucleus and many more. Most plant and animal cells are only visible under a light microscope with dimensions between 1 and 100 micrometers. Electron microscopy gives a much higher resolution, showing greatly detailed cell structure. Organisms can be classified as unicellular, which contain a single cell such as bacteria, or multicellular, which includes plants and animals. Most unicellular organisms are called as microorganisms. The number of cells in plants and animals varies from species to species. It has been approximated that the human body contains roughly 40 trillion or 4 into 10 power 13 cells. The brain accounts for 80 billion of these cells. Cell biology is the study of cells which were discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, who named them for their resemblance to cells inhabited by Christian monks in a monastery. Cell theory, first developed in 1839 by Matthias Jacob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann, states that all organisms are composed of one or more cells and that the cells are the fundamental unit of structure and function in all living organisms, and that all the cells come from the pre-existing cells. Cells emerged on Earth about 4 billion years ago. Cells are of two types: eukaryotic, which contain a nucleus, and prokaryotic cells, which do not have a nucleus. But a nucleoid region is still present. Prokaryotes are single-celled organisms, while eukaryotes can be either single-celled or multicellular. Now, today in this video, let's learn about prokaryotes. Prokaryotes include bacteria and archaea, two of the three domains of life. Prokaryotic cells were the first form of life on Earth, characterized by having vital biological processes including cell signaling. They are simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cells and lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. The DNA of a prokaryotic cell consists of a single circular chromosome that is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. The nuclear region in a cytoplasm is called the nucleoid. The most prokaryotes are the smallest of all organisms, ranging from 0.5 to 2 micrometers in diameter. A prokaryotic cell has three regions. Enclosing the cell is the cell envelope, generally consisting of a plasma membrane covered by a cell wall, which for some bacteria may be further covered by a third layer called a capsule. Though most prokaryotes have both a cell membrane and a cell wall, there are exceptions such as mycoplasma or bacteria and thermoplasma of archaea, which only possess the cell membrane layer. The envelope gives rigidity to the cell and separates the interior of the cell from its environment, serving as a protective filter. The cell wall consists of peptidoglycan in bacteria and acts as an additional barrier against exterior forces. It also prevents the cell from expanding and bursting, called cytolysis, from osmotic pressure due to a hypnotic environment. Some eukaryotic cells, such as plant cells and fungal cells, also have a cell wall. Inside the cell is a cytoplasmic region that contains the genome or DNA, ribosomes, and various sorts of incursions. The genetic material is freely found in the cytoplasm. Prokaryotes can carry extra chromosomal DNA elements called plasmids, which are usually circular. Linear bacterial plasmids have been identified in several species of spirochete bacteria, including members of the genus Borrelia, notably Borrelia burgdorferi, which causes Lyme disease. Though not forming a nucleus, the DNA is considered in an condensed in a nucleoid. Plasmids encode additional genes such as antibiotic resistance genes. On the outside, flagella and pili project from the cell surface. These are structures, though not present in all prokaryotes, but present in some of them, are made up of proteins that facilitate movement and communication between the cells. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.